In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear teachers, followers, and class fellows. I hope that you will be fine. Today, I shall discuss about the process of writing. Writing is the activity or occupation of composing text in the for publication. Writing is the process of using using letters, alphabets to share ideas, to communicate thoughts, outlines. Process of writing, editing, and revising. Revising, make it correct. Editing, make it better. I shall discuss each of them one by one. Process of writing. As shown in fig, there are 5 steps or 5 steps to writing. 5 steps in the process of writing: pre-writing, research, drafting, revising, editing. Pre-writing. Now you are heated. Now your purpose. Now your ideas. Collect your ideas. Collect your data. Organize your data. Research. Do your research. List of places where you can research. Drafting. Put the information in your own words which have you researched. Revising. Make it better by reading, again reading and writing. Editing. Edit the drafting or revising document and check for spellings, grammar, because there is no mistake in the document. Revising. Make it better by read what you have written again. Make it better by rearranging words, sentences, or paragraphs. Make it better by taking out or add parts. Make it better by doing more research if you think you should. Make it better by replacing overused or unclear words. Make it better by reading your writing aloud to be sure it flows smoothly. Focus on the surface level. Revise for the contents first. Finally, revise for organization and improve clarity and consistency. Revise for content first. What to revise? For completeness, clarity, for 7 C's. Have I explained why I conduct this research? Have I clarified how this research fits into other world research? Have I provided all necessary details and contextual information? I have. I confirm the logic of my reasoning and inference. Have I reported the result? Revising for organization. Do you need to reorganizing section of the paper? Do you need to delete materials? Do you need to add material? Do you need to insert transition to contact section of the paper to the thesis? Do you need to revise main points of for clarity? Editing and proofreading. Be sure all sentences are complete. Correct spellings. There is no spelling mistakes. Capitalization. Each proper noun is is begin with capital letter. And punctuations. Check for dot, comma, and other punctuation marks. Change words that are not used correctly or unclear. Make sure you are using the appropriate style format. Example number 1 of editing. Incorrect. Astolon's style is a frequently harmonious. Here, characters are often described as a witty, although this is less true of Mansfield Park. Here, these sentences are mixed up and it is incorrect. The correct of this Austen's style is frequently harmonious. Here, characters are often described as witty, although this is less true for Mansfield Park. Example number 2 of editing. Incorrect. Mary Crawford. The spelling of Crawford is incorrect. Characters is a complicate. The spelling of complicate is wrong. One and her relationship with funny and undergoes. The spellings of undergoes is incorrect. Several transformations thought out the novel. Thought out is separately written. Correct. Mary Crawford's character is a complicated one. There is apostrophe. Apostrophe means their possessive case. Crawford's character is a complicated one, and her relationship with both funny and Androp undergoes several transformations throughout the novel. I hope that this video will increase your knowledge. Thank you.